When the power goes out, staying connected and comfortable matters most. In today's video, we've picked the top 5 best solar generator for home backup, perfect for keeping your essential devices powered during emergencies, outages, or off-grid situations. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Anker Sollex 2400W. The Anker Sollex 2400W is a premium solar generator built for reliable home backup and outdoor versatility. What makes this power station stand out is its ultra-fast recharging capability, which reaches 80% charge in just 43 minutes using an AC input. You can manage this feature conveniently via the Anker app, making it highly user-friendly. Its 2400W output, powered by SurgePad technology, supports up to 99% of home appliances through 11 versatile ports. From kitchen essentials to RV gear and outdoor electronics, this unit handles it all smoothly. Another standout feature is its long-lasting LFP04 battery, rated for 3,000 cycles over 10 years, ensuring consistent, dependable performance. Environmentally conscious users will appreciate its 600-watt fast solar charging ability, which fully powers the unit in under 2 hours, merging sustainability with modern tech. The Anker Sollex is also compact, 15% smaller than other 1,000 kWh units, making it an ideal companion for RV trips and outdoor adventures. Real-time power monitoring and customizable charging settings via the Anker app give you control wherever you are. With its blend of high-capacity output, fast charging, rugged boardability, and intelligent features, the Anker Sollex 2400W is an outstanding choice for anyone seeking efficient, eco-friendly home backup or mobile power. Number 2. EF2400W LFP Solar Generator. The EF2400W LFP solar generator is a powerhouse designed for both home emergencies and off-grid adventures. Its standout feature is the incredibly fast recharging time, 80% in only 43 minutes using a combination of AC and solar inputs, or a speedy 1.1 hour with AC alone. This makes it one of the fastest charging solar generators in its class. Built with durable LFP battery chemistry, it promises an impressive 3,000 life cycles, ensuring reliable performance for up to 10 years. It also features an expandable capacity from 2 kWh up to 6 kWh, giving homeowners the flexibility to scale their backup power as needed. With a robust 2400-watt output and 15 available outlets, the generator can run 99% of household devices and appliances. Thanks to its X-Boost mode, even high-wattage equipment up to 3,400 watts can be powered effortlessly. The EcoFlow app provides full control over energy use and automations, enhancing convenience and efficiency. Whether for home backup or outdoor use, the EF2400W LFP solar generator offers a perfect combination of rapid recharging, expandable capacity, and versatile, reliable power output to keep your essential devices running. Number 3. Jackery Solar Generator 1000 V2. The Jackery Solar Generator 1000 V2 strikes an ideal balance between power, portability, and reliability, delivering a powerful 1,500-watt AC output with a 3,000-watt surge capability. It's equipped to handle essential appliances like AC units, fridges, and electric cooking devices. Its 1,070-watt-hour capacity, compact 23.8-pound weight, and foldable handle make it perfect for both home backup and outdoor adventures. The generator features a remarkable 1-hour full charging option via the Jackery app, with 2 USB-C ports, a USB-A port, DC car port, and 3 pure sine wave AC outlets. It can charge several devices simultaneously. PD 100-watt USB-C ports provide rapid charging for modern gadgets without needing extra adapters.
Number 4. Jackery Solar Generator 300. Compact, efficient, and incredibly portable, the Jackery Solar Generator 300 is a solid choice for casual campers, road trippers, and basic home backup needs. With a 293 watt-hour lithium-ion battery pack, it offers steady 300-watt pure sine wave AC power via 2 outlets. This is perfect for keeping phones, laptops, drones, and small appliances powered during short outdoor adventures or power outages. One of its top features is rapid recharging. It can replenish 80% of its battery in just 2 hours using both a wall outlet and a 60-watt PD USB-C port simultaneously. You can simultaneously power multiple devices on the go. The Jackery Solar Generator 300 excels as a compact, green, and dependable power station for light-duty use, making it an excellent companion for tent camping, road trips, or small emergency backup situations. Number 5. Jackery Solar Generator 3000 Pro. The Jackery Solar Generator 3000 Pro is a premium-grade power solution ideal for whole home backup and RV use. It boasts an impressive 3,024 watt-hours capacity and a massive 3,000 watt power output, supporting 99% of household appliances for extended durations. Whether it's powering a fridge, AC unit, or entertainment system during outages, it has the capability to keep things running smoothly. Fast charging is another key feature, reaching a full charge in 2.4 hours via wall outlet or 3 to 4 hours using 6 200-watt solar panels, thanks to an industry-leading 25% solar conversion rate. Despite its power, the 3000 Pro is built for mobility, with an ergonomic pull rod and non-slip silicone strip for easy maneuvering. For those needing serious, dependable power with high-end safety and smart controls, the Jackery 3000 Pro delivers top-tier performance.